guys, my name is Eugene and I'm a wedding photographer from Singapore. First up, disclaimers. I am not an influencer, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not a vlogger, I'm also not a tech reviewer. I'm just a super huge fan of Fujifilm. And I'm also extremely lucky to have with me the 18mm 1.4 from Fujifilm. So a special shout out to Fujifilm Singapore as well as Ivan for loaning me this and asking me to do my first impressions of how this fares during wedding shoots. Okay, firstly we're gonna compare the size of the previous version of the 18mm, the f2, against the size of the 1.4. And you can see that it's half the size of the 1.4. Then we're gonna take a look at the 16mm 1.4 against the 18mm 1.4, and they are pretty much similar in terms of height and size. It's just that the thread size for the 16mm is slightly bigger. Okay, let's find out how does this fit on the X-T3 body. And it looks great together. But how does it fit on the smaller X-T20 body? How does it look, guys? I'm glad to report that X-T30 users and X-T20 users have nothing to worry about. It's not too front heavy. So here are some sample photos from a pre-wedding shoot, an actual day wedding. I had to also drop by a car workshop for some servicing, so there are photos there as well. And lastly, some street photography. Okay, conclusion time. What I really like about the lens is, as you can tell from the sample images, they are really sharp. And the focusing speed during shoots are really fast, especially in low light situations. So that's extremely helpful during a wedding day. And also the focal length, if you would like to do some architectural shots, landscape shots, street shooting, as well as storytelling during wedding days, this is actually a good consideration to get. If you do not own the 16mm 1.4 already and you're considering to get one, you might want to consider the up and coming 18mm 1.4 as well, because both are extremely sharp, both are fast in focusing, as well as performs well in low light. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.